Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to share a tutorial for this crochet rakhi. It might look a little complicated to make, but trust me, it's actually the easiest rakhi I've ever made, and that's exactly why I wanted to share this tutorial with you. Even if you're a beginner and knows only the basic stitches, you can easily make this under 10 to 15 minutes. So for making this I'm using a 4-ply yarn in the color red and yellow and a 3 mm hook. So firstly I'm using this yellow yarn and I'm gonna make a magic ring with this yarn. After making the magic ring, we are going to make 2 single crochet in this ring. So for that, insert your hook in this ring, grab your yarn, pull up a loop and make the first single crochet. Now once again make the another single crochet and we have 2 single crochet. After making 2 single crochet, we are going to make 2 half double crochet. So for making half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull up a loop. You have 1, 2 and 3 loops. Now yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops in one go. So we have made the first half double and now we are going to make the second one. So again yarn over, insert the hook, grab your yarn, pull up a loop and pull through all the 3 loops. After that we are going to make 2 double crochet in this ring. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull up a loop. You have 1, 2 and 3 loops on the hook. Now yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Again pull through 2 loops. That's how we made the first double crochet. Now once again make another double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook, grab your yarn, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Now 2 loops on the hook, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So we have made 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet and 2 double crochet. Now pull this yarn and leave it like this. Do not cut this yarn. We are going to work with this later, so leave it like this. Now take another color yarn. So for me I am using the red one. So firstly make a slip knot. Now leave it aside and you see we have this magic ring right here. So insert your hook in this ring. Now take the slip knot and bring it out and then chain 1. After attaching the red yarn to this ring, we are going to make 2 single crochet in this ring. So insert your hook in this ring and make the first single crochet. Now the second one. After making 2 single crochet, we are going to make 2 half double crochet. So this is the first one. Now the second. After making 2 half double crochet, we are going to make 2 double crochet. So this is the first double crochet. Now the second one. So in total we have made 6 stitches, 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet and 2 double crochet. After that we are going to close this ring. So pull this yellow yarn and close the ring and it will look something like this. Now we are going to work for the second round. So earlier we made 6 stitches with the yellow one, 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet and 2 double crochet. So here we have 6 stitches and on this side also we have 6 stitches. So in these 6 stitches we are going to make double crochet increase, and increase means 2 stitches in the same one. We are going to make the first increase in this yellow stitch, this first one. So yarn over, insert your hook in this first stitch and there make a double crochet. So we have made one double crochet in this stitch. Again go back to the same stitch and make the another double crochet. That way we have made our first double crochet increase. So basically a double crochet increase is 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Now we are going to repeat this in each of these stitches. So again insert your hook in the next stitch and there make 2 double crochet. So first and the second one. Now in the third one. One and then go back to the same stitch and make the another double crochet. So here I have completed this and now we are going to repeat the same pattern with this yellow one. Now pull the yarn out and you can cut the yarn. Cut the yarn leaving a longer thread. Now pull this yarn out and now we are going to work with this yellow one. So you have this loop, insert your hook in this loop, tighten it and now we are going to make a double crochet increase in the next 6 stitches in these red ones. So yarn over, insert your hook in this first stitch and make a double crochet. Now again go back to the same stitch and make another double crochet. That way we have made the first double crochet increase. And in the same way we are going to make our double crochet increase in the next 5 stitches. So keep repeating the same pattern for the next 5 stitches. Don't worry about this hole in the center. We are going to add a pearl so it won't be visible. Now after completing this round, again we are going to cut the yarn for this one. Cut the yarn in the equal length. Now pull it out and this yellow yarn, this tail for the magic ring, tighten it and this is how it looks. Now at the back side, after tightening it, tie a knot with this red one. I'm going to make 2 knots so that it's secure and then hide this yarn in the back stitch of this rakhi. Now in the center, if you want, you can add a pearl of golden or white color. Firstly, thread your needle. Now take it to the center and bring the one side. It should be something like this, half on this side and half of the thread on this side. Now I'm going to take the bead, now tie the knot at the back. Now we are going to add beads on both the side, and if your bead is not going through this, or if your bead has a smaller hole, then I have a hack for you. Let me show you. So firstly, take a thread, sewing thread like this. Now take the yarn and put it like this. It should be something like this. Once again I'm showing you. Keep the thread like this. This is the thread. Now keep your yarn over it, and it should be something like this. Okay. Now take any of the bead. I'm showing you with the smallest bead I have. You see the hole is very small. Now just bring this like this, and then push it to the yarn side. You see the bead is here. Once again I am showing you with the bigger bead. Take your bead. Now take this thread through this bead, and now you just need to pull it like this. You see, it's here. And that way we are going to add beads on both the sides, and after adding the beads, tie knots on both the sides so that the beads doesn't come off. And our rakhi is ready. I hope this was easy to follow. If you try making this, then tag me. My Instagram handle is mentioned below in the description box. Don't forget to like, share and comment down if you have any queries or suggestions, and subscribe to my channel for more crochet projects. Thank you for watching, and happy crocheting.